Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today on Creditfresh, which you see on the screen right behind me, which will be in the description of the video right below this. And this to let you know, Creditfresh been around for a little bit, and you can get a line of credit, a personal line of credit with them, from $500 to $5,000. Now, I have to say the requirements: you need to be 18 years old, you need to be a US citizen, you need to have an email, and you need to have a personal checking account, because once they move forward with the process, they will be asking you for pay stubs. So hopefully you got a job and you can provide some pay stubs. Now, the difference between personal loans and line of credit: if you get a $20,000 personal loan today, you're being charged interest on that money every single day. Once you pay it off, you will have to do the whole application process all over again. Get your credit report pulled again as well. We want to avoid that with personal lines of credit. So let's say different banks, they have 12-month terms, 18-month terms, 24-month terms. Once those terms are up, they'll send you an email. If you would like to renew it, you'll renew it. Easy process, and keep it going, right? So let's say you have a $20,000 personal line of credit. It will always be there as long as you keep paying that money back. It's like a cycle, man. It keep going, as long as you keep renewing it. Now, I have to say, always a downside for these kinds of loans, line of credit, and even credit cards, when they're not really focused on your credit report or your credit score. Now, the interest on this, let's take a minute, people. The interest on this personal line of credit is sky to the limit. I'm going to let you know that right now out the gate. It's sky to the limit. Don't think you're getting 4.99%, 9.99%, 11.99%. No. Sky to the limit. And the reason why I'm telling you this, because a lot of people get excited because they might have problems with their personal credit report, meaning might have a collection, might have a late payment, might have 15 inquiries in the last 12 months. So they'll be excited. Hey, I could go out there and get up to $5,000 personal line of credit right now. No, you have to think about, you don't want to put yourself in more debt than you already are. Keep that in mind when you're moving forward with these personal lines of credit. These are kind of things I would just have to say is, if you got an emergency going on in your life, you might need $1,000. Your car broke down, you drive 45 minutes to work, you need to get it fixed today. You got a mechanic in the area where you live at, and they're charging you $800, $900, $1,000 to fix the issue. Okay, obviously you got to take care of your family. You want to keep these kinds of loans more than 90 days because the interest rate is so outrageous, it will put you in more debt. Obviously, if you have emergency going on and you need the money, within the next couple paychecks, repay it, So I always tell you the good side, and I'm always going to tell you the downside about it. It might be easy to get, but the interest rate might hurt you at the end of the day. So I just wanted to bring this video, and this is why I give away my personal ebook, which will be back up soon, so people could start fixing their credit. And you could go on my channel, on all my old videos, showing you what you do, so you can start increasing those scores and removing those inquiries and stuff like that, man. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody go to the top. This is why I bring you these videos. But I understand things like this with high interest rate, but I understand you got people out there that their personal credit report is not in the right place right now, but they got emergency and they need some quick cash. This is why I bring all kinds of videos to you. So again, let's go over to my website where I'm giving away that business guide to building wealth step by step. So we're here on the main page. If you want to drop me a line, scroll right down, give me a couple hours, I'll get back to you. You're going to go to the store section. Once you hit the store section, the ebook will pop up. Once it pop up, you could be able to download it absolutely for free and start building that business side, increasing those business scores. Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, Equifax Business. Start increasing them scores, going to get that business funded. So get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.